पोर्तुगालचो मूळ गोंयकार प्रधानमंत्री आंतोनियो कॉस्टा 11 जानेराक येवपाचो आसा. ताचे गोंयची विजिटा विशीं तशी कांयच कल्पना ना, मात तो फॅमिली मेंबराक मेळपाक येता. ताची विजीट प्रायवेट आसतली म्हूण आंतोनियोची फामील सांगता.
I have no idea of details of the visit. All I know is that he's going to be here, like the newspaper said, between 11th and 12th. During that time, he will visit here for a little while. But other than that, I have no other details. It's going to be very exciting to have him here. So, looking forward to his visit. It's going to be a very short visit, but it'll be nice to have him home.
When was the last come to Goa?
Many years back. I must have been in college at that stage. I can't remember. At least 20, 25, if not more years ago. So that's at that time he came on an official visit, and I'm not sure if I don't think he managed to visit the house then. I like to keep it as private as possible because I think he will have a very hectic visit. So when he comes here, I think just a very quiet family meal because he will need that rest. And we would like to spend time with him. So I don't think the wife will come down and not the children because he's on an official visit. So usually I have my doubts the wife will come. But I believe he's in some kind of there's a group coming in. So I'm not sure. I don't have details.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.